Introducing Vivente Plus, a new evolution in built-in electric fires. With an authentic ambiance from every angle, Vivente Plus is our most advanced, energy-efficient Optiflame electric fire. The Vivente Plus has a bright and captivating flame effect to experience with all your senses. The new mirrored glass panel enhances the flame. The authentic logset creates the perfect ambiance. You can also choose from ceramic or authentic logs, offering a stunning fireside glow. With the pleasing crackling sound of fire, the Vivente Plus is an experience you see, hear, and feel. Our Vivente Plus offers the most advanced combination of comfort and energy efficiency, and features a comfort saver to provide all the heat you need in an efficient way. SmartSense technology detects when nobody is in the room and turns the fireplace automatically off after 15 minutes if no movement is detected. You can personalize your settings via the app with a choice of 8 ambient lighting themes, or fully customize your own theme. You can also adjust the brightness of the flame and downlight. Vivente Plus comes in 3 different sizes, with a choice of various layouts to create a stunning centerpiece in any space. Discover Vivente Plus, the most advanced, realistic Optiflame experience ever.